Hi, this is Priya from Little Hearts, and this is Blaze Strom Soft Bullet Automatic Gun. The best part of the childhood is playing with toys, and toys like this are feast for kids, especially who love shooting with guns. It is for children above 6 years old. Say foam bullets. We need 5 AA batteries to operate. This is the sound we experience while using this. The sound enhances the shooting experience. It has long shooting range, it's easy to operate and also strong. This is how we load the bullets. Coming to the drawbacks, definitely children loves this toy. But the drawbacks are only for parents who buy this. You should bear the sound and batteries drain fast. Coming to the durability, remember it's just a toy. We could not expect long life for automatic toys, but the quality of the material was good. Overall, it gives the real experience for the little heroes. That's it about this Blaze Strom soft bullet gun. Thanks for watching. Please find below links to find this product online, and please don't forget to subscribe Little Hearts for more videos. Thank you.